Preston, what are you doing? Hi. What are you trying to get? Your car can't fit in the pantry. Hi. You gonna go back? Oh! Bonk, you crashed your car. And bonk. Preston, what are you getting? What are you doing? Preston. 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 Stop looking at Ivy. Up here. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hi, huh? Is that your dog? No. Get. Huh.